Okay, so I'm sure many of us are familiar with breaking a crusty old shock stud off. Let's try and design a protector to stop that from happening. So before designing, we need to measure with the vernier caliper the shock stud and the nuts that the protector are going to go over. Alright, so after some measuring with the calipers and some pretty terrible hand sketches, we're going to crack open the laptop and draw this up in CAD. Got a tap hole here for a grease zerk, just for fun. Of course, have the wrench flats out here. Got a little indicator strip, so you just put a paint pen stripe in there towards the front. That way you know if your bolt is backing out or not. And then here, of course, we've got the grease zerk channel up top, so we need grease zerk passageways to go through, as these surfaces here are actually going to be tap hole size for the shock stud itself. And then we've got clearance for the nuts. Let's get this onto the 3D printer and see how it pans out. Okay, so we're done with the printer. We've got two different designs here. Two that are going to thread onto the shock stud itself, and then two that are going to snap onto the jam nut. We're going to test them both, see which one works better, and go put them on the truck. Okay, so here we are out at the truck. Got a set of brand new KYB gas adjust 5404s on there. Shock stud at the top. So let's put in our, whoops, there we go. Let's put in our protector. Just like that. Snug her on. Maybe we'll give her a couple more love taps. But there she is. And so, pump her up full of grease. Shouldn't have any issues with your shock stud seizing up when you go to pull it off next time. Right on.